brought out and fixed on the guide. So I was saying this is going to look like a HRA, mastic asphalt type look. Same process, pressed in with a trowel. And then the pre-coated chipping is going to be placed on top. Some of the recent projects that we've done with this, Cormac invites us down to do several ironworks there. Plymouth City Council invested significantly in doing a whole load of ironworks around the network in Plymouth. We've got contractors, especially in the Hampshire area, that are using a lot of kits. I think they used some in the region of 1,000 kits last year. That has been continued on through this region. One of the first projects we did, which is still going strong, was in Reading, Reading West Street, which is in the town centre. It's on a bus route coming through. That was in the 2020. Some might ask us how long it's going to last. We haven't actually yet had an installation that's been there long enough whereby the actual system in itself has failed. We have had some failures. When we go back to site, drill down, the failure is further down in the substrate than the material on the surface. 20 minutes, just 20 minutes, perfect. Left a bit. Your right hand down. Right hand down. That way. Forward a bit more, forward a bit more. Keep going, keep going. Just do a little turn on that. That's it. Then left a bit more. So there we go. Seeing is believing. That's where it turned there, that's where it turned on there, that's where it turned on there, that's where it turned on there. No scratches.